Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit.
So, doon na late subong guys no kay ang sarap ng tulog ko. Pero 1 hour pa ng jogging eh. So morning guys. So ay tapos naman na mag-jogging. So itutur ta naman kamo sa akon nga kuan eh. Sa akon nga palasyo. Shoutout. So 4:40 galit naman tanok kay sarap ng tulog, pagod sa life. So yung mga forest charot. So good morning everybody. Yeah. Sorry pala siya naman guys. So wala lang and goodbye.